The next priority is one of those priorities that if you need it, you need it, and if you don't need it, it's kind of like a bit on the waist or a wayside, and you don't really think about it. But first aid is definitely important. You have to have the ability to treat yourself and treat those with you in an emergency, and if there's any injuries, you have to take care of those injuries. Most of the time during any emergency situation, there will be injuries, there will be some sort of a problem, and you definitely have to have the ability to apply first aid and to have first aid kit available. But it's not necessarily always a priority, depending on the situation. Like for instance, if your car broke down next to the road, first aid is not going to be your first priority. But if you're in that same vehicle and you're in an accident, you definitely need first aid. So first aid is not a priority that you can say, yes, I will need it every time. But if you do need it, you really do need it. So make sure that your first aid priority is taken care of, and that you've got a proper first aid kit, and obviously then also first aid skills and training to use that kit.